In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a sub-account with an existing snapshot in GoHighLevel. Updating a sub-account with a snapshot is a powerful way to roll out changes, templates, and assets across your clients without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and I'll also highlight a few important checks along the way so you don't accidentally overwrite anything you want to keep. First, log into your GoHighLevel agency account and head over to your main launchpad. This is your central hub where you manage all your accounts and agency level settings. From the launchpad screen, look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts. Click on that to open the full list of all the sub-accounts under your agency. Next, identify the specific sub-account you'd like to update with an existing snapshot. Take a moment here to double check you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names. Once you're sure, click on that sub-account to open its details page. Inside the sub-account view, you'll see a button or drop-down labeled Actions. Click on Actions, and from the menu that appears, choose Load Snapshot. This is the function that lets you pull an existing snapshot into this particular sub-account. You'll now see an area where you can choose which snapshot you want to use. Click on the Choose a Snapshot drop-down. This will display a list of all the snapshots that are currently available in your agency. Browse through the list and select the snapshot you want to load into the sub-account. After selecting the snapshot, click on Proceed. At this stage, GoHighLevel will show you the assets that are linked to that snapshot, such as funnels, workflows, emails, and more. Take your time here to review what's included. When you're happy with the assets that are going to be loaded or updated, click Proceed again. Now you'll get options for how you want to apply the snapshot. You can click on the main tick box if you want to overwrite all the assets in one go. If you'd prefer more control, click on the plus icon to expand and be more specific about which asset types you want to overwrite and which ones you want to leave as they are. Once your choices are set, click Proceed. For safety, GoHighLevel will ask you to confirm. Type the word confirm in all caps into the field provided. This is to make sure you really intend to make these changes, since they can overwrite existing assets. After typing confirm, click Proceed one last time. GoHighLevel will now begin loading the snapshot into your chosen sub-account with the settings you selected. Once it's done, your sub-account will be updated and ready to use with the new or updated assets